Welcome to Live Well Journey. In today's video, we're uncovering the truth behind detoxing, what really works and what's just hype. From juice cleanses and detox teas to clean eating and liver flushes, detox trends are everywhere. But do they actually help your body or hurt it? Your body already has a built-in detox system. Your liver, kidneys, lungs, skin, and digestive tract. But modern life can overwhelm it. Let's explore how. We'll explore science-backed ways to support your body's natural detox process through real food, daily habits, and lifestyle changes that truly work. What is detox, really? Let's define detox. Detoxification is the process of removing toxins from your body. But here's the catch. Your body does this naturally, every single day. Toxins can come from pollution, processed foods, alcohol, tobacco, or even stress. When your detox organs are overloaded, you may feel tired, bloated, or sluggish. This is why so many people seek out detox programs. But most trendy detox plans lack scientific support and may even do more harm than good. For example, some detox teas contain laxatives. While they give quick weight loss results, they can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Others go for juice cleanses, which can cause fatigue, nutrient deficiency, and blood sugar crashes, especially if used long-term. So, real detox isn't about extreme methods. It's about giving your body what it needs to function properly: nutrients, hydration, rest, and consistency. Myths about detoxing. Let's bust some common detox myths, starting with the idea that your body is full of toxins that only a special diet or product can eliminate. Fact: your liver, kidneys, and intestines already detox your body naturally. No lemon water or celery juice required. Myth number 2. Sweating removes toxins. While sweat glands help regulate temperature, they don't eliminate significant toxins. Myth number 3. You need to fast or skip meals to detox. In reality, extreme fasting can stress your body and slow down metabolism. Myth number 4. All natural detox products are always safe. Remember, natural doesn't always mean harmless, especially if misused. Myth number 5. Quick cleanses are enough. True health comes from consistent daily habits, not a weekend detox binge. So don't fall for marketing hype. The best detox plan is one that works with your body, not against it. How the body detoxes naturally. Now that we've cleared the myths, let's explore how your body detoxes naturally, every single day, without any expensive products. Your liver is the body's main detox organ. It processes toxins from food, drinks, and the environment, breaking them down into safer compounds. Next up, the kidneys. They filter your blood and flush out waste through urine. Staying hydrated is key to keeping them working efficiently. Your lungs help expel carbon dioxide and other airborne waste. Breathing clean air and avoiding smoking keeps them functioning at their best. Your intestines and gut microbiome also play a crucial role. A high-fiber diet helps eliminate waste and supports good bacteria that aid digestion and health. Even your skin helps detox. It acts as a barrier and sheds dead cells, especially when hydrated and cared for with gentle cleansing. So instead of chasing trendy cleanses, support your body's natural detox processes with water, fiber, rest, movement, and whole foods. It's that simple. Real detox strategies that actually work. Let's shift from the myths to what actually works. These science-backed detox strategies don't require supplements. just smart daily choices. Start with hydration. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys flush out waste more efficiently. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, or more if you're active. Eat more fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber helps your digestive system eliminate toxins and supports gut health. Sleep is your body's time to detox. During deep sleep, your brain clears waste through the glymphatic system, like taking out the mental trash. Sweat it out. Moderate exercise like walking, yoga, or biking boosts circulation and helps your body release toxins through sweat. Reduce toxin exposure. Limit processed foods, cut back on alcohol, and choose natural products when possible to ease your body's detox load. Deep breathing helps detox through the lungs and calms the nervous system, supporting liver and kidney function. A few minutes a day makes a difference. The best detox comes from consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, help your body function at its best. No need for extremes, just real self-care. Signs your detox is working. If you're following real detox habits, how can you tell it's working? Let's look at the subtle signs your body is healing and functioning better. Improved energy is one of the first signs. When your organs aren't overloaded, your body can spend less energy fighting off toxins and more on fueling your day. Clearer skin often follows. When your liver and kidneys are doing their job well, your skin, another detox organ, doesn't have to work as hard. Better digestion is a strong sign of progress. Less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and feeling lighter after meals mean your gut is functioning better. Mental clarity improves too. You may notice better focus, less brain fog, and a more stable mood, thanks to balanced blood sugar and improved sleep. Detox isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term reset. These positive changes show that your body appreciates your care. Keep going. You're doing great. Detoxing safely, what to avoid. Detoxing should make you feel better, not worse. But too often, people make mistakes that lead to fatigue, nutrient loss, or even health risks. Avoid extreme juice cleanses that cut out essential nutrients. When you only drink juice for days, your body may lack protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Watch out for detox teas and laxatives promising quick weight loss. These can dehydrate you, harm your gut, and create dependency. Fasting without proper guidance is risky. It may help some, but if done wrong, it can spike your cortisol, mess with blood sugar, and leave you exhausted. Don't fall for miracle supplements. Real detox doesn't come in a pill. It comes from your liver, kidneys, skin, and lungs doing what they're designed to do. The best detox plans support your body, not stress it out. You want to nourish, not deprive. Hydrate, eat well, and rest. That's how you reset safely. It's also important to listen to your body. If you feel weak, dizzy, or overly tired, pause the plan and reassess. Health comes first, not trends. Safe detoxing is about progress, not perfection. Small steps lead to lasting change. So take your time and be kind to yourself along the way. Best detox foods to include in your daily routine. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's focus on what to include. Real detox starts in your kitchen, with everyday foods that nourish and support natural cleansing. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with chlorophyll, which helps flush out toxins and supports liver function. Cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, boost detox enzymes in the liver, helping break down harmful compounds. Citrus fruits like lemon, lime, and grapefruit are high in vitamin C and support hydration, antioxidant activity, and liver detox pathways. Garlic may be small, but it's powerful. It activates liver enzymes and contains sulfur compounds that aid in natural detoxification. Beets are another superstar. They support the body's natural cleansing processes and improve blood flow with compounds like betalains. Berries, especially blueberries and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and fiber, helping reduce inflammation and support digestion. Avocados offer healthy fats and glutathione, an antioxidant that helps your body eliminate toxins effectively. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa provide fiber, which helps bind toxins and remove them through digestion. And don't forget herbs and spices, like turmeric, ginger, cilantro, and parsley. These ingredients fight inflammation and aid in liver detox. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals is simple, delicious, and effective. Think of your plate as your daily detox partner. How to build a gentle weekly detox plan. Now that you know which foods help detox your body, let's put them into a simple weekly plan you can actually follow. No extremes, just small, consistent steps. Monday, start your week light. Have warm lemon water in the morning, eat steamed veggies, and avoid sugar and fried food. Tuesday, add cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cabbage to your meals. Include a fiber-rich grain like quinoa to support digestion. Wednesday, focus on hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water, add herbal teas like ginger or dandelion, and snack on fresh fruits. Thursday, add fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut to support gut health, along with leafy greens and garlic in your dinner. Friday, keep things light. Try a veggie soup or smoothie bowl for dinner. Reduce heavy carbs to give your digestive system a break. Saturday, focus on movement and cleansing. Do a light workout, stretch, and eat hydrating foods like cucumbers, berries, and citrus fruits. Sunday, rest and reflect. Prep your meals for the week, batch cook grains, and chop veggies. Self-care and preparation reduce stress and help your body stay balanced. By following this gentle weekly detox plan, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay healthy, energized, and naturally clean, without fads or restrictions. You've just learned how detoxing isn't about deprivation or extremes. It's about supporting your body's natural processes through nourishing foods and smart habits. Remember, your liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin are already powerful detox machines. They just need your support through water, sleep, movement, and clean eating. There's no magic pill, but there is magic in consistency. Small choices made daily lead to long-lasting results for your energy, mood, and overall wellness. So, whether you start with more water, add leafy greens, or cut back on sugar, just begin. Your body will thank you one healthy step at a time. Thank you for watching Live Well Journey. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips, recipes, and mindful living content. See you next time.